Alright, hey everyone, Kevin with Twin Cities Golf here. We are at Topgolf for the opening media event here. We're going to start out on the third floor because this is the one that's most quiet. Some of the best views. So welcome to Topgolf Minneapolis in Brooklyn Center. So what we're going to do is we're going to take you out on the patio, rooftop terrace here. Beautiful night. We got a view of the Minneapolis skyline out there in the distance. Alright, so we're here for the taste and tour night at Topgolf in Minneapolis. This is the third level. We're going to take you downstairs. Well, there's plenty of action going on. So welcome. If you've never been to a Topgolf, you're prepared to get excited. So we're going to head downstairs. They'll be opening in late September, so they will officially announce the opening date here soon. You can actually reserve the room for meetings, conferences, great place to hang out. There's the check-in to guest services. So when you come in, you do an initial membership, a lifetime membership, first time you come. The rest of the bay's up here, and then we're gonna head downstairs, show you what's going on the second level. Alright, if you haven't been to a Topgolf, get here quick. So keep an eye on the Twin Cities Golf Facebook page. We'll make sure we know when the announcement is. As soon as we know, you'll know. Let's finish off by watching Mike take a swing here, see if he can get us some points. Alright everybody, look forward to seeing you out here at Topgolf Minneapolis.